I should punish Dad for grounding me all the time. I should bake his iPhone as a punishment. I finally found it, now I'm going to bake it. Yes, now I'm baking the iPhone. Oh no, what is that sound? At least there's no fire, but the iPhone is now broken. What should I do? Yes, how about I buy a new one with money from my money collections? I should now throw out the old one. Now, I'm doing it. Yes, I found it. Now I'm going to take all the money out to see do I have enough. Let me see. Looks like I have enough money to buy it. I have $364.98. Wait, if I order it online it will take a while for the iPhone to arrive at my home. I should buy it from the Apple Store before Mom and Dad gets back. I'm going to put the computer away and put the money in my pocket and buy a new iPhone. I'm doing it now. Yes, there's one more iPhone left. I gotta get it quickly.
Hey, kid, I was about to get it.
No, I was the first one who found it.
I don't care, let me buy it.
Oh no, look what's going on over there.
What happened? Hey, kid, you were trying to trick me so you can buy it first. Grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
Cash. Yes, now I'm good. I'm going to place Dad's new iPhone on desk, and I'm going to set up the iPhone. Good, finally I'm not in trouble anymore.
Caillou, looks like you have good behavior at home. You're ungrounded.